Hey guys, I'm Jordan with That Flag Company. I know a lot of you are familiar with one of our past videos, how to enter into a rustic flag company for less than $100. And in that video, we showed how to use virtually no tools and very little money to start making top quality flags. Well, this video is going to show you how to make top quality metal flags using virtually no tools and very little money. So I'm super excited about it. I'm going to show you what we came up with. I'm excited to see what you come up with, but let's get started. What you're looking at here is our fiber laser that we're running in Granbury. I know that one of the biggest barriers to entry into the metalworking industry is getting either a fiber laser cutter or a plasma. We went for a fiber laser because it gives us these sharp edges and corners that you're looking for here. The second thing that we were looking at is the aesthetics of the sides. So we went ahead and bent the sides on all of these metal DIY templates that we offer at thatflagcompany.com. When you receive one of our metal templates, it's going to look just like this one right here in the video, with the edges bent and sanded and looking really good, but it still needs to be cleaned. So we use acetone, removes all those oily fingerprints. If you look at the back of the spray can and you're spray painting, it'll give you a recommendation for how to clean the metal. There's many different ways to do it. We use acetone. Hillary's using Rust-Oleum clear gloss on this flag. We're going to show you a few different methods on how we do different flag styles, but for this one right here, we want to keep that natural steel look. So we just hit it with a couple of coats of this clear gloss, and it gives a really fantastic look. No matter the size of the flag template that you order, it's set to be 3/4 inches thick. So Hillary's sanding the corners of a 3/4 inch thick piece of oak here, and that sanded corner is going to allow it to sit really flush with the corners of the template. What you want to do with this back piece here, really the options are pretty endless. Depends on what you want to do or what kind of look you're going for. In this one, Hillary's using a pecan stain to stain the back of the piece. Kind of gives it a nice classy look. This here is a bonus step. You don't have to do it, but it does help. This is a technique that's used commonly with sign makers. Hillary here is using double-sided Gorilla Tape to secure down the metal to the wood. So the metal will tend to separate in parts from the wood depending on where it's displayed or how it's displayed. This tape is incredibly strong. I wasn't a believer. I tried it, we used it, and now I'm a believer. Try it if you want to, but we found it very, very helpful. Now you might have noticed earlier whenever I was showing you the bent sides, there are 6 pre-drilled holes on the side and 5 on the top, 5 on the bottom. These holes are small enough for these decorative tacks that we're using in this video here, but if you need something larger, it's a great starter hole. You can drill it out or bore it out to the size you need. And just like that, you have a high quality metal and wood flag, just like the ones that we sell on our website, thatflagcompany.com. We have many other templates out there, so many different options to do. On this one here, we didn't change anything with the metal, just did a little bit of a different paint job on the background. We have a lot of different designs on the website. We come up with them weekly, but this firefighter one is really sharp. To help give another idea, on this one we used Rust-Oleum hammered paint made for metal, and then we torched the board and then threw some blue stain for a thin blue line. Removed the tape and then put some of that pecan stain on that we used earlier. And I have to admit, I'm pretty happy with how this one turned out too. These are just a couple examples of what we came up with. I'm incredibly excited to see what y'all come up with. Paint it, powder coat it, let your minds run wild, but shoot us pictures of your final products. I'm excited to see them.